showing you how to make a paper mailbag, a paper hat, and a paper boat. And this only uses paper, no tape, no glue, no anything. But you can use tape if you want, just to make it stable and long. So, to make a paper mailbag, you'll probably need a junk paper or something. Any paper that you don't need. But only if you want to actually give it to someone, use blank paper. So first, you're going to fold the paper up. And then, what you're going to have to do is, you have to bend it, like fold it, this way. And then, you take the top two corners, this one, and you bend them like this, and the other one like that. And like, you don't make them touch each other. Probably, you see when you folded it first, in the beginning, I told you to fold it, okay? It has to be at least, it has to look like this. That's it. Because the line has to be in the middle of the two, and they're supposed to be like a square on one side. Each side I did. And then, what you need to do is, you need to, okay, so you need to bend this corner. Wait, no, that's not yet. You need to take this and fold it, and it should look like this. It has to overlap the triangle that we just made right here. I should do that, and there should be like a triangle right there or something, and it has to touch. The bottom has to be a square. Do the same thing with the other side, and then we're almost done. And then you just need to fold this here. But if you want to make it stable and like not break apart really easily, use tape and just tape this together, because they're not taped together. They're just going to be free. Okay, so you bend this. Has to look like this. Should be bendable. Just bend it until the corners. You see this corner right here? Like that corner. Make it touch that corner and sort of, yeah, and then just bend it. And it should overlap. And then what you need to do is you just need to take the bottom and fold it. It doesn't need to be perfect, so like you have to leave a space up here. And then what you do is, yeah, fold it like this. And there you go, a paper mailbag. But let me tell you how to use it. Like, seriously, people don't really know how to use this tag. You open it up fully. You flip it, take this out, and then you put something in it. And then, yeah, fold it again, there, and then done. Paper mailbag. Now, since we're done the paper mailbag, I'll be teaching you how to make, let's see, the hat? Yeah, the hat. Okay, so you need to fold a piece of paper. What you need to do is fold it like that. Has to be perfect. Perfect. And then you fold, make another fold. And then what you need to do is open it up again. Open it up, and then, okay. People make a lot of mistakes on this one. Don't fold it from this side. Take the other side that cannot open and fold it so it touches the line. And then just do the same thing with the other side. It should end up like this. And then what you need to do is, now you use this side, the open side, and you just fold. So you fold it, fold this part up, has to be like this. And then you fold the other side, the back side of it. And then you end up with this. Then open it up, then it's a hat. And if you want to make your head bigger, like to make it actually fit your head, what you need to do is you just get a bigger piece of paper, and then you do the same thing that I just showed you. And then there will be a hat. No, this one's a bit too small. Okay, now we will be making the boat. Okay, now we will be making the boat. Sort of the same thing as the hat. So again, you need to fold the paper. Then you take this side. Then you fold it again. And then you open it up. Yeah, so you fold it and then you open it up. And then from the top, make a triangle, make it touch the line. Oh, this is hard. Folding. Just look like this. I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. Now it should look like this. And then you fold the sides again. So you fold this, reach up to the top, do the same thing with the other side. It should look like a hat now. But then open it up, open it this way, and then point it this way. Just open it, and then fold it. Works, I think. Yeah. So you do this, and then you fold it. So it should be like this. And then once you got this position, you take the bottom and you fold it to the top, the top corner right here. Like that. And then you open this, and this is only the big size of the boat. So you open the bottom, and then there should be something here that you need to pull it out. Pull it out like this, and it should go like this. But that's the wrong way, so don't do that. Well, only if you want to. So then what you do is When it's in this position, you fold this side, and then here you just take a bit of the triangle and just fold it. I'm going to fold it from the bottom. Comfortable. It should be like this. And there you go, it's a boat. And you can make it big or small, and as you want. Okay, thank you for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe. Toodles!